Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick the settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And here in the photo category at the last position we have the watermark option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now we can add the phone model watermark and the date and time. By using buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this or both at the same time. And with the phone model we have connected the outer watermark, so here when we pick it we can add our own custom watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset. And OK. But remember that the outer is connected with phone model, so when we turn this off, the outer is locked, so we have to add both at the same time. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see them at the real photo. Let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery now. And this is our photo with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. From the left we have REALME Auto Intelligent Triple Camera watermark, so the device one with shot by hard reset, the custom one, the outer, and from the right we have the date and time. And of course when we don't need them we have to go back to the camera, then tap to the right corner to the right settings, pick the watermark and use these buttons to turn them off. So now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave it a thumbs up.